The 2018 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless entry, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, backup camera, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels. Come see the car for yourself.